we got a Speedbird A380 just creeping through the distance. I don't know where that one is going to nor the registration because I just saw it right now. Tried to go Hampstead Heath yesterday. Went there yesterday, but it was cloudy throughout the entire day, which was pretty annoying. Despite the fact that the weather forecast saying that it was meant to be completely cleared out by around 2 PM in the afternoon. Albeit that was never the case. Well, my focus was just out of the distance. I think that one's a little lower than usual.